In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions, specifically bills and expenses, in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're trying to keep your accounting records up to date or simply want to ensure that all your transaction details are properly documented, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and clicking on New. This is your main starting point for creating and editing transactions. So whenever you need to initiate a transaction-related action, this is where you'll begin. Once you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, carefully select the type of transaction you want to work with. This could be a bill, an expense, or any other type of transaction you need to attach a document to. Make sure you select the correct category, as this will determine where the document gets stored and how it integrates with your financial records. After choosing your transaction, it's time to input all the necessary details. This step is crucial, as having accurate and detailed information ensures your records are precise, which simplifies tracking and reporting later. You'll need to fill out all the relevant fields. This may include information such as vendor names, transaction dates, amounts, and any pertinent description that identifies the purpose of the transaction. Take your time with this step to prevent any errors that might lead to discrepancies in your accounting. Now, as you scroll to the bottom of the transaction window, you will find a button labeled Add Attachments. Clicking this button is where the magic of document attachment happens. Once you click it, a new dialog box will open, allowing you to upload your document. This could be an invoice, a receipt, or any related paperwork that supports the transaction details you just entered. It's a simple drag-and-drop interface, so feel free to either drag your file directly into this window or click to browse your computer files and select your document manually. Make sure the file is clear and legible for future reference. Remember, this step is essential for maintaining an organized documentation system that's accessible whenever you need it. And just like that, you're done. With your document now attached to the transaction, you've strengthened your financial records with supporting documents that make audits, reviews, or any future references straightforward and hassle-free. Remember, keeping thorough records is key to successful financial management. I hope this tutorial has helped simplify the process of attaching documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.